Alright, so I have something to unbox. If I can even clear it like this, good grief. Okay. Let's see where I can set this thing. Boom. One of a few things that I have ordered. A couple more things coming later in the week. Yeah, this basically goes with another thing that I bought that is an essential. Clearly it's a huge box, so it's a car part. So here is hardware. Gasket material. And then boom. Here is one of the two items. Boom, as you can see, side skirt. It's funny because I always saw these for sale, but I never actually had a replica side skirt. I've only ever had OEM M3 side skirts. So we're gonna set this thing up here somewhere. And then just like put it next to the car or whatever. Let's see. I don't even know where to set this thing up. It's the only thing that I miss about the what do you call it? The Z Fold. It was super easy to just set the camera up and then do what you gotta do. Looks like it's gonna stay, so it's good enough. So I guess you gotta like put it on. Yeah, that definitely needs two people. Well, it looks like the thing is like naturally pulled out. Actually, oh, okay. So yeah, you would just have to kind of like nail it on and it'll form to the car. But I mean, this will definitely work for now until I get some actual M3 ones. So can't complain about that for $100. Again, I also have the LTW wing, the cheap eBay one. So yeah, this thing is going to be looking decent soon. And yeah, we're still just waiting for the headers to be installed. And as you guys saw in the last video, I was supposed to pick up the CL63, but then something broke, so that means more money to spend. Like, this is very annoying and heartbreaking because I want to drive one of my fucking cars. Like, it's literally always something. Can't get somebody to install the headers, and then CL63, things just keep breaking. So hopefully one of these, so Thursday, the CL63 should be done, because it's just like a little coolant thing that popped off and broke. So I'm hoping that gets fixed, and then we pick that up and drive it around for a while until the E36 is done. And then when the E36 is done, we're gonna drop the CL63 back off and what do you call it? We're gonna drop the CL63 back off and then fix the throttle bodies, because I have to order some throttle bodies, if not today then tomorrow. But I'll order them eventually because I don't need them yet, because again, that car is not getting fully fixed, but it does drive decently. Of course, I forgot to record, but yeah, I'm gonna go inside now because per usual, I'm annoyed that I don't have my cars and I have nothing else to do at the moment. I'm not going to install these things now because I have to paint the bottom section of the skirt thingy black. So when the car gets painted, well, it's going to come off anyway, but I don't know. So maybe I don't have to paint under it black, but I'm not doing that now anyway, and I'm not installing it now anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this is just another quick update video and an unboxing of something that I picked up for the E36. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, hopefully Thursday, when we're picking up the CL63 after work. Peace.